Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of organic cooking essentials with what many consider to be the best petite diced tomatoes available in the market. If you're passionate about using quality ingredients in your recipes, you'll want to pay attention to this review. These petite diced tomatoes from Whole Foods Market are all about delivering exceptional flavor and freshness, straight from the vine to your kitchen. Let's explore what makes them stand out. First off, these tomatoes are certified organic, meaning they're grown without synthetic pesticides or GMOs. This makes them a healthier choice for you and your family. The petite dice ensures uniformity in size, perfect for adding to sauces, soups, or even salads without overwhelming the texture. Whether you're whipping up a quick marinara sauce or enhancing the flavors of a hearty stew, these tomatoes offer a burst of freshness that truly elevates your cooking. Taking a closer look at the packaging, it's designed with sustainability in mind. The cans are made from recyclable materials, aligning with the commitment to reduce environmental impact while keeping your ingredients fresh. Now, let's get to the fun part, the taste test. I prepared a simple pasta dish to showcase how these tomatoes hold up in a classic recipe. As you can see, the tomatoes maintain their shape and flavor beautifully, infusing the dish with a natural sweetness and acidity that's characteristic of high-quality, vine-ripened tomatoes. After spending time with these organic petite diced tomatoes from Whole Foods Market, it's clear why they're favored by home cooks and chefs alike. Their versatility, freshness, and commitment to organic farming practices make them a standout choice for any kitchen pantry. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply someone who values quality ingredients, these tomatoes deserve a place in your next grocery haul. They're not just diced tomatoes, they're a testament to the art of organic farming and the pursuit of exceptional flavor. That wraps up our review of the best petite diced tomatoes organic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!